Ever watched a robot vacuum just spin in circles while your floor still looks dirty? You're not alone. A lot of robot vacuums sold in the US promise smart cleaning, but many can't even handle pet hair, rugs, or tight corners. In this video, I'm breaking down the truth about robot vacuums for US homes, which models are actually worth buying, which ones to skip, and the real features that make a difference. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the one hidden detail almost every buyer misses, and it could save you hundreds of dollars. Before dropping a few more $100, here's what actually counts. First up, navigation and mapping. The smarter the system, the better the cleanliness. Cheap bots wander randomly. Premium ones use LiDAR or camera-based mapping to scan your rooms and clean in neat, logical paths. If you've got a multi-room home or open floor plan, this feature is a total game changer. Next, suction power and brush design. Pet owners, this one's for you. Go for 2,000 to 3,000 Pascal suction with an anti-tangle roller so it can handle pet fur, dust, and even cereal without choking. Hardwood floors, choose a softer brush to avoid scuffs while still picking up fine debris. Then there's battery life and auto recharge. You want at least 90 to 120 minutes of runtime. Look for models that automatically recharge and pick up where they left off, so you come home to clean floors, not a half-done job. Smart features make all the difference. App scheduling, Alexa or Google Assistant control, no-go zones, and multi-floor mapping bring that true set it and forget it convenience we all want in busy US households. Don't overlook maintenance and dust disposal. A self-emptying dock can save serious time, and easy-to-replace filters and brushes keep the robot running efficiently. Also, size and obstacle detection. Slim models slip under couches, while cliff and object sensors keep them from tumbling downstairs or eating your phone charger, because yes, that happens. And finally, always check warranty and US-based customer support. When something breaks or a part needs replacing, having responsive service here in the States is worth its weight in gold. To help you out, we've handpicked 5 top-rated robot vacuums for US homes, each built for different needs and budgets. You can find them all on Amazon, links in the description. At number 5, we have the Ropvacnik Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a futuristic cleaning companion designed to take the chore out of housework. Imagine coming home after a long day to spotless, gleaming floors without ever lifting a finger. This smart robot does just that, combining 4,000 Pascal of powerful suction with advanced mopping technology to handle everything from dust to sticky spills. This 5.28-pound Robot S1 is a true multitasker. Its 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system uses an upgraded electronic water tank with 4 water level adjustments, giving you the perfect clean for any mess, from muddy paw prints to daily dust. With multiple cleaning modes and app, remote, touchpad, and voice control, it lets you clean your entire home hands-free. Simply tell Alexa or Google Assistant to start, and your floors will be spotless before you even finish your coffee. Its smart obstacle detection ensures smooth navigation around furniture, while self-charging technology means it returns to its dock automatically when cleaning is done. Plus, its anti-tangle pet hair design makes it a dream for pet owners tired of clogged brushes. Customers rave about its strong suction, quiet operation, and easy app setup, calling it an incredible value for money. With a 110-minute runtime and sleek, compact design, this robot is perfect for hardwood floors and low-pile carpets alike. And with the Ropvacnik S1, cleaning has never felt more effortless. Stay tuned, because up next, we're moving from smart convenience to more cleaning power with our number 4 pick. Don't forget, you can grab the Ropvacnik Robot Cleaner now using the Amazon link below for the best deals. At number 4, meet the Tickum G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the cleaning powerhouse that brings smart living straight to your floors. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while your home is being vacuumed and mopped all at once. That's exactly what this intelligent cleaner delivers with its 5,000 Pascal turbo suction power and 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system, cutting your cleaning time in half. Equipped with a 450 milliliters dustbin and 300 milliliters water tank, this 4.85 pounds vacuum effortlessly captures pet hair, dust, and debris while leaving a spotless finish behind. It's smart, slim, and silent, gliding under beds and couches with its 2.99-inch ultra-slim design and avoiding collisions or falls thanks to advanced anti-drop sensors. The zigzag cleaning mode ensures every inch of your home gets covered, and with 150 minutes of runtime, this robot keeps going until every crumb is gone, then self-charges automatically for next time. You can control it your way through the app, remote, voice commands, or onboard buttons, making it perfect for families, seniors, and tech lovers alike. Customers love how it transitions smoothly between floors and carpets, handles pet hair with ease, and runs quietly enough to clean while they relax. Many call it excellent value for money for its cleaning performance. With the Tickum G8000 Max, spotless spotless floors are no longer a weekend chore, they're your everyday reality. Stay tuned, next we're unveiling a robot that cleans with even smarter precision. And if you're ready to reclaim your weekends, grab your Tickum G8000 Max today using the Amazon link below for the best deal before it's gone. Ever wished your home could clean itself while you relax? Meet the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, built for those who crave spotless floors without lifting a finger. Designed for both carpets and hard floors, this smart cleaner uses matrix clean navigation to move in precise grid patterns, ensuring no dirt or dust is left behind. Its powerful suction tackles the toughest messes, while the self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and hard floors to remove debris and hair efficiently. Equipped with 360 degrees LiDAR mapping, it scans your home and adapts to every layout, avoiding furniture and obstacles even in low light. The self-emptying XL base can hold up to 60 days of dust and debris, meaning you don't have to worry about frequent emptying or costly replacement bags. With hands-free voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant and full app compatibility, cleaning becomes as simple as speaking a command. This 15.3-pound robot also features recharge and resume, picking up right where it left off after recharging, so your home stays clean from corner to corner. It's especially convenient for busy households or pet owners who want consistent cleaning with minimal effort. And with a 2-year limited battery warranty, it's designed to deliver long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Customers say it's great value for money, praising its consistent performance and gradual improvement with each clean. Stay tuned. Coming up next is number 2, another powerful contender in the world of smart home cleaning. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. At number 2, we have the Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a true revolution in smart home cleaning. Imagine a vacuum that empties its own dustbin, washes and dries its own mop, and leaves your floors spotless without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what the Omni C20 delivers with its all-in-one station, designed for complete hands-free cleaning. Its transparent dual water tanks make it easy to monitor clean and dirty water levels without lifting a lid, perfect for effortless everyday cleaning. Powered by Mop Master technology, the C20 uses 180 revolutions per minute dual rotating mops and 6 N of downward pressure to scrub away stubborn stains. It doesn't just mop, it vacuums and mops simultaneously through the app, delivering sparkling floors in record time. And with 7,000 Pascal of suction power, this 19.8 pounds robot easily lifts dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hardwood, tile, and carpet. Its 3.35-inch ultra-slim design lets it glide under furniture and tight spaces most vacuums can't reach. Meanwhile, the Prototangle comb automatically clears hair from the roller brush, keeping performance strong and reducing manual cleaning time. Customers praise its quiet operation, impressive cleaning power, and great value, saying it leaves floors cleaner than ever. A few mention a slight hum during operation, but most agree it's one of the smartest and most efficient cleaning systems available today. Stay tuned, we're just getting started with our lineup of top-rated robot vacuums. Check the Amazon links below to see the latest deals and grab your Eufy Omni C20 before it's gone. At number 1, we have the Roborock Crevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop, a true powerhouse in smart cleaning technology. Imagine a robot that vacuums, mops, empties itself, washes and dries its own mop pads, all while avoiding obstacles and learning your home layout. That's exactly what this 8,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction marvel delivers, capturing even the deepest dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Its all-in-one docking station is where the magic happens. It empties dust automatically into a 2.7-liter sealed bag lasting up to 9 weeks, refills clean water, washes the mop pads, and dries them thoroughly, so your robot is always ready for the next run. Paired with dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops and 30 adjustable water levels, it scrubs away stains with precision, while the 10mm mop lift ensures no wet carpets. The tangle-free brush system makes this 33.5 pounds vacuum a dream for pet owners. No more hair wrapping around rollers. And with reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR navigation, it smartly detects furniture, cords, and stairs, mapping every corner for efficient cleaning. Customers praise its quiet performance, flawless mapping, and incredible dust pickup, considering it worth the price. If you're looking for the ultimate hands-free cleaning companion that truly does it all, this is it. Check out the Amazon link below to grab the Roborock Crevo series, your home's smartest cleaning upgrade yet. Alright, that's our roundup of the best robot vacuum. If you want an even simpler option for everyday cleaning, check out this video on the best bag vacuums, affordable and practical. Smash that like button, hit subscribe,